Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video I'm back. I don't know how many days this is in a row. I think it's 6 with this video if I'm right. I'm hoping I'm right. But basically today what I'm bringing you all is just me showing you all the clothes I bought this year. Any streetwear clothing, just every single piece I bought this year, or at least I think I bought this year. Some of them I probably bought in 2018, I'm just forgetting about, or I didn't mention in 2018. One or the other. I mean, most of them I know I did buy this year. There's a couple I'm confused on, but that's really all I'm doing in this video. I just want to really go over the clothes I've gotten this year and sort of show them to y'all and let you all know what I sort of think about them, I guess. So that's really it for this video. It's going to be simple and hopefully not too long, but there is a decent amount of clothes I got to go through. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you're new, haven't seen my face before, haven't seen any content like this, we're staying right now with the daily uploading. So please go ahead and subscribe below if you all want more of that, more videos like this. And also drop a like too. I'd really appreciate that. Let's try and get 100 likes in this video too, and I'll keep going with the daily stuff. I mean, I'll do that anyways, but just let's see if we can hit 100 likes on this video. And, yeah, that's enough intro and all that right there. Let's just get straight into it. Alright, so I've organized it into 3 sections. So sort of just like pants and all that and stuff like that, jackets and then shirts. So really what I'm gonna go over is sort of the jackets that I've gotten this year first. But also I want to go over these. So I got these yesterday at the thrift. Y'all saw these sort of aviator glasses, and they're like, they were $9. They're not like Ray-Ban, they're not authentic, but you know, they work. They're cool little silver ones and not bad for the thrift. They are a bit dirty though. I don't know if y'all can see that, probably not, but they are dirty. So these gotta get cleaned, or that's just not possible. I don't know how, but we got those. And then the next piece that I want to go over that I also bought this year is Supreme Motion logo. Y'all see that? Around like 300 or something like for this hoodie, but it's very comfortable, definitely a good cop, amazing for winter. All I really have to say about it, just I'm really glad to have this one. And you know, it does have a couple stains and I do need to clean that. I don't know why I'm just so messy, because it's like ruining my clothes. You'll see what I mean. And next up, this one I'm pretty sure I might have bought in 2018, but I want to go over it anyways because it's actually something that I may start like including. I have this like big North Face jacket right here. You can sort of tell it's bigger material. I mean, look at it. It's like not a nups, but maybe it's like something like that. I don't know what the name of this jacket is, but if anybody can help me out with naming this jacket, let me know, because I want to get more educated and stuff like that. But I have this from the North Face, sort of older style. You know, you can see it. Never stop exploring, and the North Face logo on the inside right there. So sort of something I have. Bigger jacket. It's summertime. Not going to be wearing this, but we're not done. We also got this one. This one might have been a late 2018 purchase or early 2019 purchase. I'm trying to remember. But Supreme Lacoste track jacket. You can see got Supreme on the side right there. Got this jacket, red and white split pattern, and yeah, don't need to go over it too much, but this could be something I style in the summer somewhat. I mean, it's a track jacket, so it is lighter, you know, maybe something, you know, throw in like that, you feel me? All right, but now we're gonna move on to the tees, because we got some fire tees in here, not gonna lie, just some of the recent stuff I'm gonna show y'all to go over real quick. But first up, we have the off-white typographic photo tee, or not photo tee, just typographic tee. You can see just basically it's off-white typed out there on the tee. Very simple, very plain. I've worn this one a good bit, and it's like 160, I think, so 160 for a white tee. It's a dumb move. I don't even know why I did it, but I just sort of did it in the moment for like a video that I was doing, which if y'all want to go check out the video, it's like one I posted like 2 weeks ago. It was like $500 or something, I don't know, but this tee was in it, so that's why I spent that much on this tee. But next up, this one was an early 2019 purchase. This is Supreme and Mike Kelly. I believe it's one of the earlier weeks of spring summer 19, I think, if I'm right. It might be, I might be wrong on that though. But here you can see that, just basically the 4x4 over there, so 4 photos on the back and then 4 on the front. I thought it was cool, got the little box logo right there, and I messed with it. So yeah, definitely had to cop this one. I've messed with the collaboration heavy on that. We're not done. This one I copped about a week ago. This is Supreme fall winter 2009 Supreme Ronettes tee. This is sort of like a girls rock band, if I'm right. That's what I think I heard about the Ronettes, if I'm right. But Supreme basically did a collaboration with them in 2009. Made this tee, and it says Supreme, be my baby, and then it's signed off by Ronnie, and then I can't read that, sadly. I mean, that's my bad, but yeah, Supreme Ronettes tee. I thought it was cool. Huge oversized fitting, you can tell. I mean, I'm not an XL, but this tee is an XL, and it runs true to size. So when I say this is oversized on me, it is gigantic. But I've worn it. I even wore it in a recent video, so there you go. We're not done though. Got some more tees. Next up, I think I got this one 2019 from Ian, a Supreme Eternal tee. You can see the design of that one. I was just holding it like that, but yeah, this tee, I like the color. Personally, sound like a little like sunshine, like light yellow, I guess if you want to call it that. But yeah, you know, I messed with like the gold on yellow design there too, so had to cop this one, and it's added to the collection now. I gotta get more tees though. Like my collection, like I have a couple clothing clothing hangers where I've just lost some tees. Like I don't know where my Bape tee went, and I don't know where my Supreme, like one of my Supreme tees went. I don't know where they're going, so I have to go look for those. Like I have no clue where they're going. Hopefully they're not getting like finessed or something. But moving on, next up we have the Supreme Ripcord Rex tee, or Supreme Ramzel tee. This is from 2003. You can tell it's in very good condition, and yeah, basically just Ramzel, you know, guy, like he designed some stuff in Supreme stores, like some artwork, and yeah, basically he got his own little tee right there. And yeah, here's the tag to prove that it's authentic right there. Y'all can take a picture, do whatever. And yeah, it's an old tee, and I'm glad that it's in such good condition, to be honest. Like this is crazy. And next up, this one might have been the late 2018 purchase, early 2019, but yeah, Supreme Cause tee. Not Supreme Cause tee, that'd be insane, but just Utmost Sesame Street Cause tee, you know, basically just, there you go. Elmo on the frocket with the Cause eyes. You can see there, this tee is like just oversized as anything, but it works and it's comfy, so you know, I stay rocking it, you feel? I mean, I have to. It's actually comfy, like falling asleep in that tee, it moves. And next up, we got the CDG tee right here. You can tell, there you go, this was a heart. This one I bought for, I think it was 80 or 90, one or the other, but yeah, basically, you know, just got the little heart on it. I thought it was a cool little tee that I had, and also like the purple color, like it actually works pretty nicely, you know, on me. Like it's pretty decent, and yeah, you know, I got this one. It's also a little bit big, you know, you can tell I get a lot of items that are a little bit oversized, just because that's how I sort of like my items fitting. It's comfy, not gonna lie, for tees especially, like an oversized fitting tee is very comfortable. So I just have that right there, but yeah, that's not the last thing we got. This one, I got this one right here. You can tell, there you go, this tee is in terrible condition. I gotta fix this up. You can tell it's not even white in the camera. Like look, it's like yellowish, but yeah, basically Supreme Black Sabbath, you can see there, box logo on black, Black Sabbath, and then War Pigs thrifted tee. This is, the condition on this is just, I can't, like I wore it yesterday, but it's nasty. Like I showered after, because that tee is not clean. We're not done though, so don't click off yet. If you're still here, comment below though. Comment below whatever time stamp it is, or just comment below something so I know you're still here. I really appreciate that. But we're about to go over some of just like the shorts and stuff that I have. These, I think I copped one of these, just Champion sweat shorts this year, 2019. I might have copped a pair, but I don't really wear these too heavy anymore because I've gotten a lot of new stuff, such as these Gap khaki pants, which I thrifted yesterday. Very comfortable, good purchase. You see them. Yeah, now I need to get a belt to match them. So I have a belt in mind, so you're gonna be seeing something like that soon, maybe like a review of that. If I do unbox it just by itself, which I probably will, so that may be a video, something like that coming up. But these khaki pants, definitely gonna start buying more because these are super comfortable, and yeah, definitely a good investment. I think these are really nice, and I don't know, I didn't expect that good quality from Gap. Like I didn't really know that, you know. But next up, we also got these drawstring khaki pants, something you probably haven't seen before like this, but they're very comfortable. Also, like, don't sleep on these. And these are from PacSun also. Again, none of this video is also like sponsored. None of this, like, I'm not gonna link anything down below, or I may if I can find some that, you know, like I think you may want. But I don't think I'm gonna link anything down below, so there probably won't be anything. But this video isn't sponsored. Just want to mention these PacSun khaki shorts, very comfortable. They may be called volley shorts or something like that. I don't think they are. I actually think that's what I'm wearing. I also copped these this year on PacSun. Very comfortable. I like them. You know, they're nice like that. And then we also got, you know, Champion sweatpants, comfy. That's all I gotta say about them. Not too much. And then we also got these when Fashion Nova sent me these. I just thought I'd mention, I put these in the video also. But these sort of like jeans, distressed jeans, you call it that. Like, I can't remember what the official name was, but yeah, here's sort of like the whole thing right here. They sent me these ones. You can tell. I see some people in these. I mean, they're not really my style. You can tell that's just not how I'm gonna wear stuff or clothes. Like, I just don't mess with like this too much. But other than that, you know, I think it's pretty decent. And yeah, you know, they're comfy too. These are comfy. But yeah, something else I also got this year, so have to mention it. I got these from them when they sent me them. These cargo pants. These are comfy, and I actually styled a fit pic in them. My Instagram's in the description if you want to check that out. And I really appreciate it. Follow too. I'll hit some of y'all follow back too. These cargo pants, they're nice, but they're nothing like that crazy. I mean, they're nice. Like, it's pretty good quality from what I was going to expect, but I think they're nice, so glad I got those ones. And then finally, I also copped these, just more drawstring khakis. Comfy, nice, worn them quite a few times, but yeah, I think I copped these early this year, maybe like around Christmas time, I'm not too sure, but these are nice. And you know, the colorway's alright. It's good to match with like my Ganesh tee, my Supreme one, but I don't know where it is. I have no clue where it is. It's just gone missing. So yeah, that and many other clothes I have just gone, and I gotta find them somewhere, you know? So yeah, those are all the pants, tees, and hoodies that I've copped this year. Anyway, so I'm gonna end this video here. Happy Father's Day. I don't know how I messed it up right there, but to all the dads out there, you know, today, the day I'm filming this, it's Father's Day. The day this video is gonna get released, it's not gonna be Father's Day no more. It's gonna be Mondays. You know, Monday sucks, but hey, it's summer for me now, so you know, I don't gotta worry too much. But yeah, for those of you that still got school, that's tough. And yeah, I wish you best of luck, especially if you got exams or anything. There's my blessing. Good luck on all that. I had that, it sucked. But you know, I did decent, so that's happy. I'm good with that. But yeah, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe, drop a like if you want more content like this. Just really thought I'd do this video because I was like, hey, you know, why don't I share some of the stuff that I got in this year, sort of go over it again. And I may do this again at the end of the year to see if I've changed anything up, because my streetwear has changed a lot these last few months, and I just thought, you know, this would be a good video to introduce. So I thought I saw something there. I didn't though. Maybe I'm going crazy or something. But yeah, that's it. I don't have too much more to say, so I'm gonna head out. Thank y'all for watching this video. I'm Tristan, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.